Every night, my cat would sit at the corner of the living room, eyes wide and unblinking, fixated on something invisible to me. At first, I shrugged it off as one of those inexplicable feline quirks, but the way her fur bristled and her tail twitched made me uneasy. One particularly stormy night, curiosity got the better of me. I followed her gaze, straining my eyes in the dim light. At first, I saw nothing but darkness, but then a faint outline emerged, a figure standing silently, watching us. My heart pounded as I realized it was wearing a hat, its eyes glowing faintly. I froze, unable to move as the figure stepped closer, revealing a sinister grin. Suddenly, my cat hissed and leapt towards it, but the figure vanished, leaving behind only an icy chill. Every night since, I've barricaded that corner, but the feeling of being watched never left.